What?
Oh, what system was that?
Oh, the PlayStation was PlayStation.
Yeah, no, remember? Is it Sonic?
That did what?
That's it. Sega.
Yeah, Sega. There
Yeah,
you go.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Hey, what are you? I mean, what is she talking about?
I'm going crazy.
Yeah, it sang the system. Yeah.
Yeah, Sega.
Really? Okay. Anyway, I figured out the disk drive thing. Okay, with my helper here, she's gonna hold the camera.
Hold the camera because I ain't holding that system.
Yeah.
150 pounds.
Okay. So, wait, was it this side? No, I think it was this side. It's a scary sound, I know, but it just snaps. I don't like it either. Okay, yeah, so that's the disk drive.
And why do you need the disk drive?
Because the Ps5 Pro doesn't take any discs at all, so you need the disk drive for games. And
Because it's backwards compatible.
Yes, well, we're gonna see. I'm gonna throw some PS4 games in here.
Yeah.
I doubt it's gonna work, but we'll see what happens. I'm a collector, so I like to have the physical copies. I'm just old school. I like the physical copies. I download games, but I like the physical copies. Anyway, see, look. Here. See? You just clip it into there, and then this piece connects into that. You can see there? In there? Yeah.
Okay.
And then, okay. That's it. And then you just pop the new cover in. Yeah.
Well, that's nice. At least it comes with another cover.
Yeah. Snap it up. I do not like the noise. Snap it. Okay. Cut the camera till I figure it out.
Wait. Okay, it's on?
Yes, it's on. Very nice. It looks nice with it on, though.
I know. It doesn't even make it look ugly or nothing.
No. Jesus. I wonder if it does play the PS4 games, though.
You happy, Big Daddy?
I'm very happy. Okay, I did it right. I turned it on. It says your disk drive is connected to the PS5. I could do things.